Good morning, grade 1. This is the second part of our lesson, Describe two-dimensional shapes. The lesson objective is to describe attributes of two-dimensional shapes, the sides and the vertices.
Jack Cartman! Kids Music Channel!
2D shapes. 2D shapes. Which ones have sides and vertices? Let's learn today. Sides are the straight lines that form the shape. Vertices are the corners that the two lines make. Let's move and count the sides and vertices of these 2D shapes. This is a square. Let's move and count the sides of a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 vertices and 4 sides. This is a triangle. Let's move and count the sides of a triangle. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a triangle. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 vertices and 3 sides. This is a rectangle. Let's move and count the sides of a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 vertices and 4 sides. This is a rhombus. Let's move and count the sides of a rhombus. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rhombus has 4 sides. Let's move and count the vertices of a rhombus. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rhombus has 4 vertices and 4 sides. This is a circle. Let's move and count the sides of a circle. A circle has 0 sides, but has 1 curved line. Let's move and count the vertices of a circle. A circle has 0 vertices, but has 1 curved line. A circle has 0 sides and vertices. 2D shapes. 2D shapes. Which ones have sides and vertices? We learned today.
Let's remember what a side is. The side is the outside edge of a shape. Like here, this is the hexagon and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the hexagon has 6 straight sides. Now I'm gonna tell you the name of the shape and I want you to think about its sides. I want you to tell me how many straight sides does the 2D shape have. Are you ready? Lovely. The first shape is the triangle. How many sides does the triangle have? Excellent! It has 3 straight sides. Very good. The second shape is the square. How many sides does it have? Wonderful! It has 4 straight sides. Now, how many sides does the hexagon have? Excellent! It has 6 straight sides. The fourth shape is a new shape. Did you hear about the pentagon shape? Do you know how many sides does it have? Very good. The pentagon has 5 straight sides. We are done with the sides. Now we will talk about the vertices. Do you remember what are vertices, grade 1? Lovely. Vertices are where the sides meet. So when two sides meet together at a point, this point we call it a corner or a vertex. And more than one vertex is vertices. If we look at these different 2D shapes, we can tell that they are different in the number of the vertices. So some of them have 3 vertices, such as the triangle. Some of them have 4 vertices, such as the square, rectangle, and the trapezoid. And some of them have 5, like the pentagon, and we learned that the hexagon has 6 vertices. Let's play these riddles together. What shape am I? I want you to help me to read the riddles and to figure out the shape. Are you ready to do that, grade 1? Lovely. I have 6 sides. I have 6 corners. I look like a beehive. What shape am I? 6 sides and 6 corners or vertices. Excellent! I am the hexagon. And I look like this. What shape am I? I have 3 sides. I have 3 corners or vertices. I look like pizza. Who am I? Wonderful! Exactly, I am a triangle. And I look like this. What shape am I? I have 4 sides. I have 4 corners. I have equal sides. Who am I? Remember, grade 1, the shape that has equal sides is brilliant. It's the square, and it looks like this. Now the last shape. I have 4 sides. I have 4 vertices. I have 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Who am I? Excellent! I am the rectangle, and I look like this. It's time to practice now in our book. Use blue color to trace each straight side, and use the red crayon or color to circle each vertex or each corner. Write the number of sides and vertices in each one. Question 6 shows a square. Look at the sides of the square. They are 4. Look at the vertices. They are also 4. Let's move to our friend the rectangle. The rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Well done, grade 1. Number 8. This shape is, I don't hear you, say it. Very good, this is the triangle. How many sides does it have? Very good, 3. And how many vertices? Excellent, also 3. Number 9 is also a triangle, but they drew it in another way. It also has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Number 10. Who can remember this shape? What do we call it? Wonderful! This is the hexagon. And as we know, the hexagon has, let's count together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So it has 6 sides. I want you to count the vertices now. Brilliant. They are also 6 vertices. Number 11. Do you remember this shape too? Wonderful. This is the trapezoid. And the trapezoid has 4 sides and 4 vertices like the square and the rectangle. Now, if we go down to think smarter question, they want us to draw a picture to solve. These are 2 riddles. I will read and I want you to think. Can you read it with me? I am a shape with 3 straight sides and 3 vertices. Who am I? Lovely grade 1. It's the triangle. And this is how we draw it. Number 13 says, I am a shape with 4 straight sides that are the same length and 4 vertices. Do you remember the shape that has the same length of all the sides? Perfect, grade 1. Yes, it's the square. This is the problem-solving page. Now we will draw the shapes to match with each clue. The first one in number 14, it says, Jake draws a shape that has fewer than 4 sides, but it has 3 vertices. Now, when they said that it has fewer than 5 sides, I thought about a square or maybe a triangle or a trapezoid. But when they said it has 3 vertices, so of course the answer will be excellent, the triangle. And we can draw many different shapes of the triangle. Question 15. Meg draws a shape with 4 sides. She labels it as a trapezoid. Do you remember how we draw the trapezoid? Very good. It has 2 sides that are parallel. They will be drawn in the same path or the same way. Number 16. Ben draws 2 different shapes. They each have only 4 vertices. When they have only 4 vertices, so I can think about the rectangle, the square, or also the trapezoid. Well done. 17. Think smarter. Circle the number that makes the sentence true. A triangle has 2, 3, or 4 vertices. Think about it, grade 1. Well done. The triangle is the only shape that has 3 vertices or corners. This page, grade 1, will be your homework and you will find it in Seesaw. You will need to work here to follow instructions to trace with blue and red colors, and to write the numbers of the sides and vertices, and lastly, you need to solve the problems. The first shape here is the hexagon. Excellent. The second shape is the square. The third shape is the trapezoid. And the last shape is the triangle. So you will trace with blue all the straight sides, and you will circle all the vertices with red color. Then write the number of the sides and the vertices beside each one. Problem solving. Draw a shape to match the clues. Question 5 says, Ying draws a shape with 4 sides. She labels it as a rectangle. So, you need to draw the rectangle. Number 6. Use pictures and words to show the attributes of a hexagon. So, you need to draw the hexagon and you need to tell me how many sides and vertices does it have. Good luck, grade 1. Success criteria. By the end of this lesson, I hope you all now are able to describe the attributes, the sides and the vertices of the two-dimensional shapes. Don't forget to submit your homework before 9, and goodbye.